Hello, I'm Dr. Vaishali Joshi, Senior Consultant Gynecologist at Kokilabin Ambani Hospital, Mumbai. I have been practicing for last 24 years and was in UK for 14 years, and for last 8 years I'm in Mumbai. Today we are going to talk on period health. So why it is important to talk about periods? As you know, every woman spends almost 450 to 500 periods during her lifetime, and 10 years of her lifespan is spent on periods. Unfortunately, talking about periods have been stigmatized in society, and it's high time we talk about this in a public forum. It's very important to understand what are the healthy periods. Usually, the periods which come at an interval of 21 to 35 days and last from 2 to 7 days are considered as normal periods. The cyclicity of these periods is because of the balance between our hormones. So, what is a period ill health or period problems? They can be various. The first common period ill health can be related to the hormones, and it is usually manifested as mood changes, feeling low, depression, irritability. It's also called as premenstrual syndrome or PMS. Usually these symptoms appear a few days prior to the onset of periods and disappear with the first day of the flow. The physical symptom of these hormonal changes can be breast tenderness, that is also called as mastalgia, which usually woman experiences maybe a week prior to the periods and becomes better as the period finishes. The second common cause of period problems may be pain or discomfort. I think almost 90% of women do experience a little bit discomfort, back pain with the onset of periods. This is also called as dysmenorrhea. If this affects the quality of life or makes women stay away from her day-to-day activity, then it needs to be investigated. The most common reason for the pain can be fibroid or endometriosis, and usually the hormonal imbalance do not lead to this symptom. Most of the time this can be treated by simple painkillers, but sometimes the primary reason, that is fibroid or endometriosis, may need a treatment for this. The third common cause and which is quite uprising is irregularity of the periods. So the periods can come within 15 days, or they may just come after 2-3 months, or maybe after 5-6 months. So this is most of the time is due to hormonal imbalance, commonly known as PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome, in any young woman ranging from 18 till perimenopause. Usually, the hormonal changes during the perimenopause can also give rise to irregularity of the periods. Now, coming to the problems with the period flow or menstrual flow. So, it's very difficult to gauge a woman's menstrual blood loss, but the flow which lasts longer, more than 7 to 10 days, or it is more in quantity, that means every a woman is passing large blood clots or changing pads every 2 to 3 hourly, then it definitely indicates that there is ill health of the periods. Usually, such amount of blood loss can give rise to low hemoglobin or anemia, which needs to be treated. Sometimes a woman may have a normal period and she may experience bleeding in between the periods. It's also called as intermenstrual bleeding, which definitely needs to be investigated. Now, coming to the other aspect of period. that is menstrual hygiene and period health. It's very important that we discuss it today because, as you know, the menstrual blood is a very rich source of medium for any bacteria to grow. So, if we don't have a proper hygiene, it can give rise to serious health hazards and infections. With the scarcity of basic sanitation, water, soap, and the sanitary pads and or sanitary management products, it becomes very difficult for young girls and women right across the country to maintain this hygiene. So it's very important to use clean, sterile sanitary products. They can be either pads or a cloth or a menstrual cup or tampons, whichever way one person or a woman is comfortable to use it. It's also important to wash your hands before and after you, change your pads with the soap. One needs to also understand that the impact of the sanitary products which we use on the environment, because that they are not environmental friendly. There has been change in the way we use the products and awareness. So the availability of menstrual cup, biodegradable pads should be encouraged and should be available easily accessible, and should be available at affordable prices so that large population of women can use them and do not lead to a large environmental crisis. So it's very important to have a period health as a bigger perspective. So, and to maintain period health, we will need to start right from the adolescence, right from the time the menarche happens. So the key to maintain period health is to have a healthy lifestyle in the form of regular exercise and keeping healthy dietary habits. This avoids weight gain, which is the first trigger for hormonal imbalance, and PCOS. So, polycystic ovarian syndrome is a major hidden epidemic which is affecting globally, and one needs to address it right from the beginning of their reproductive career. So it's very important for you to have a correct information and use the professional services according to your symptoms. So MyAbha is India's one of the top PCOS app which helps women with PCOS to manage their symptoms naturally and holistically. It also provides you a personal team of gynecologists, nutritionists, health dermatologists, and fitness expert to address your symptoms and try to answer your queries by free consultation through their MyAbha community page, which really will help to keep you in control of your problems. So this is the key for your life, healthy periods, and